Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-sportline. And today I'm going to talk to you about adding power to the frunk of your Tesla. I have got the t-sportline power outlet kit. This is going to be your typical cigarette lighter power outlet, and we're going to install this in the frunk. This kit includes the outlet, the wiring harness, and the hole saw. Let's go ahead and get started. This is like a 5-minute install, pretty easy stuff. The only thing you're going to need is a drill. So the first step is going to be pull this cowl off the top, and we've already pulled it off so it's loose, but this just pops off the top up here, and you can put this aside for now. First thing we're going to do is figure out where do we want to put this outlet. There's no right or wrong place. It's a matter of choice, and you just have to make sure on the back side of the frunk that you have clearance. So a good spot for this would be up here or even down in this lower area. I'm going to put it up over here. This is an easy spot for us to put it. I'm going to take the hole saw that comes with the kit. We're going to put it in our drill. And once you understand where you're going to put this, just make sure you stay away from the edge. So I'm going to put it right there. And I'm just going to drill through this carefully. And that's it. Make sure you don't run anything on the back side. I can take my outlet, take this back side off, push this through the hole. I'm going to put this plastic nut on the back side, tighten it up. And there we have it. Now for the wiring, we include this wiring harness, and you're going to have two wires, one for power, one for ground. They have a built-in fuse in here. If anything's shorted, you can always open this up and change the fuse, but it comes with a fuse, so you're ready to go right from the start. Put that back together. And the power wire, the red one, is going to attach to the middle of this outlet. On the back side of the outlet, the one that's in the middle is going to be the red one. It also has a little plus symbol, so we just push this spade connector right on there like that. And the ground is going to be the black wire. This is going to go on the outer spade, and it has a minus symbol, so we just push that on there. Okay, that's done there. I can route these wires back through the hole. And put the nut over the wires. And we're just going to tighten that nut up. And that's there. We're going to connect to the low voltage Tesla battery here, and there's a post right here for accessories. I'm going to take a 10mm driver, and attach the black wire. And tighten that back down. And then over here, we're going to attach our red wire. And put the nut back on. And tighten that back up. Now I'm going to make sure my wires are routed out of the way, just tucked up here. And we'll put the cowl back in. This just presses back into place. So get it lined up here, and then you can go around and make sure all of the push pins are tight. And that's going to do it. So that concludes the installation. Congratulations, you now have a power port in the frunk of your Tesla.